Tom Cruise, a well-known Hollywood actor, has attained popularity and prosperity unlike any other. Behind his charismatic on-screen persona and risk-taking actions comes a game-changing concept that pushed him to the top. 1. Improvement can always be made. His dedication to getting better at what he does is a lesson in life that anyone can pick up. "I have respect for what other people believe," he declares in an interview. "What I think about my own life is that it's a quest for how I can do things better, whether it's being a better father, husband, or otherwise. Hard work alone won't guarantee success in life. You also need to be able to adjust to changes in your environment." Cruise never remained still. To conform to what viewers want to see, he always works to improve. He never stops getting better because he's continuously looking for methods to get better. You must take this action as well. 2. Keep your eyes on your dreams and goals. It hasn't always been easy for Cruise to succeed as an actor. After acting in the 1997 film Jerry Maguire, he rose to stardom, but after 2005, because of bad press, his career took a turn for the worse. Even during those trying times, Cruise continued to work. It's astonishing how he can concentrate on his work while ignoring the unfavorable headlines. With so many distractions around, it is challenging to maintain concentration. Over the past 10 years, Cruise's career has been sustained by his constancy and commitment, and it is an excellent example of how to handle adversity. Despite the fact that the press and the media appear to enjoy making fun of Cruise more than they do, praising his work, Cruise is committed to making even more successful box office films. 3. Give up on what isn't working. Celebrity status means that Cruise is managed by a skilled public relations team. He employs the correct individual to manage his image since he is aware that his public image has the power to make or break his career. Cruise is aware of the need to put an end to anything that isn't working. On the other hand, you must improve what is already effective. There is no need to start from scratch. Concentrate on what is working well for others and apply that method as a model for your own use. With so many distractions around, it is challenging to maintain concentration. Over the past 10 years, Cruise's career has been sustained by his constancy and commitment, and it is an excellent example of how to handle adversity. Despite the fact that the press and the media appear to enjoy making fun of Cruise more than they do praising his work, Cruise is committed to making even more successful box office films.